Okay, so we're going to look at solving simultaneous equations. These are equations where you have more than one variable, i.e. x and y, or a and b. So now the method to solve these equations is to eliminate one of the variables. You do this, in this case, by adding the two equations together. Now if you add the two equations together at the moment, then all that's going to happen is you're going to get 8 lots of y. The 4 add negative 1 is going to give you 3 x's, and 13 add 1 is going to give us 14. So at the moment, it doesn't really help us to add the two equations together. What we have to do is try and get one of the variables to be the same value in both equations, but one a plus and one a minus. So you can see in equation 1 that there's a plus 4x. The easiest thing to do is to make equation 2 have a minus 4x, and to do that we need to multiply equation 2 by 4. And that's what we're going to do. So this 3 is going to become 12y, the minus x is going to become minus 4x, and the 1 is going to become 4. We're going to call this equation 3. We're then going to write the first equation down below here, so as they're right next to each other, and we can deal with them. I'm now only going to deal with equation 3 and 4, and these are the equations we're going to add together. So if we add the y's, we get 17. If we add the minus 4x and the plus 4x, they cancel each other out or disappear, and the 13 and the 14 makes 17. At this point, we can work out what one of the variables is, which is y. Okay, so you do that by dividing. So you can see that 17 divided by 17 gives you 1, and that's your first solution. Now to get the x value, what you do is you substitute this y value of 1 into any equation up here. Try to pick the one that's easiest. I always find the one that's easiest is the one with the positive values, if there is any. So I'm going to substitute this y equals 1 into this first equation up here. That means the y equals 1 is going to go in here. So that's really going to become 5 times the 1, which is 5. So here we are, substitute into equation